Is your Xiaomi Mijia 1C giving you the silent treatment? Pressing the power button to no avail, you're not alone. Many Mijia 1C owners are experiencing this frustrating no-response problem. It's more common than you might think. This unresponsive behavior is usually down to a tired, worn-out battery. Think of it like your phone battery. After years of charging and discharging, it eventually loses its oomph. The same thing happens to your robot vacuum's battery. Ignoring a faulty battery isn't just inconvenient. It can lead to further internal damage to your Mijia 1C. You might also miss out on that satisfyingly clean floor, and honestly, who wants to vacuum manually after a long day? But don't despair. RoboCare is here to rescue your Mijia 1C. At RoboCare, we diagnose the problem using specialized tools. We first assess the battery's voltage and overall health using our advanced diagnostic equipment. This helps us determine if the battery needs a simple recalibration or requires a complete replacement. Our skilled technicians, all trained in repairing Xiaomi robots, expertly remove the faulty battery. We're meticulous. We ensure every connection is secure, and we only use genuine, compatible replacement batteries. Once the new battery is installed, we thoroughly test the vacuum to ensure it's functioning perfectly before returning it to you. And ta-da! Look at this! The Mijia 1C is back in action, cleaning effectively and flawlessly. A new battery brought it back to life. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, I would highly recommend RoboCare to anyone having problems with their robot vacuum. They are professional, efficient, and incredibly helpful. My Mijia 1C is back to its old self. It's cleaning like a dream, quiet, efficient, and I can finally relax, knowing my floors are spotless.
Getting your Xiaomi robot vacuum back in tip-top shape is easier than ever with RoboCare. Visit our website or call us today for fast, reliable repairs.